Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Learn with Arslan Said. Today we have 10 sentences from subject verb agreement with the common errors and we are going to correct them. And the first sentence is a black and white dog are running. So when we say a black and white dog, it means that there is only one dog. If you want to say that there are two dogs and one is black and one is white, then we'll use a with it and we'll say a white and a black and a white dog, and that would be using r with it because that would be pluralized. If you say a black and white, it means that there is only one dog and it is from it's some kind of black and white, the mixture of colors. So the next sentence is my father and my teacher is coming. When we have used when we have used my for two times and we are saying that my father and my teacher, it means that we are talking about two persons, not a single person. If we have to refer to a single person, we'll say my father and teacher, that will be a person. But when we say my father and my teacher, it means that we are talking about two persons. Father is separate and teacher is separate, and we'll use or with it instead of is. Third sentence is he is one of those who is on duty. You know that who is a relative pronoun, and relative pronoun is just like a hook. It hooks up the previous word with the coming word, and here we have those and we'll connect it with the coming word, that is and because those is plural, so there will not be used is, will use are with it. Next sentence is running and walking is good for health. And running is a gerund, walking is a gerund, and is connecting them. And there are two gerunds and we have used is with it. So the rule is that if we have only a gerund as a subject, we will treat it as singular. And if we have more than one gerund as a subject, we'll use it as plural sentence and plural subject, and we'll use plural verb with it. Many a boy are in the room, and there is a simple rule about many a boy. Many boys and many a boy have same meanings, but when we use many a boy, it happens that we have to use subject as singular. It means that boy will be singular and verb also singular. In case of using many a, we'll have to use subject as singular and verb as singular too. I met a boy in a school who was dirty. So again, who is a relative pronoun and introducing a relative clause. And the rule is that we have to put the relative clause next to the word it's relating. So I met a boy who was dirty in a school would be the right answer. Next sentence is either of the two boys are sick. Either of the two boys are sick. You know that either is a distributive pronoun and it is used as a singular pronoun and treated as a singular too. So when we are saying either of the two boys are sick, that would be wrong. We'll say either of the two boys is sick. Next one is 50% of the rooms is clean. So when we are saying 50% of the rooms is, we are basically talking of more than one room. And when we are talking about more than one room, we have to use a plural verb with it. So there will be are instead of is. Next one is nothing remain, all is well. And nothing is again a singular and remain is not a singular verb. So we have to put an s after it. So it becomes nothing remains, all is well. And none of the boys are on duty. It's again using none, a distributive pronoun, and we have of the boys, but due to none we have to use the singular subject. It is the rule that none, everybody, nobody, somebody, neither, either, they are treated as singular. They are just equal to he. So we have just completed 10 sentences. I hope you understand and I hope you enjoyed my video. Just subscribe and press the bell icon for more such videos. Thank you very much. Goodbye.